hits the glass like a soft parade. Each drop a whisper, a serenade. The sky's crying, but I'm not afraid. Streetlights hum, the rhythm's alive. In the puddles our shadows thrive. We're dancing in the rain, spinning in the storm. Our hearts collide where it's safe and warm. Dancing in the rain, let it pour, let it play. Every drop's a note in the song of today. Like a saxophone cry, velvet and gold in a world of sighs. The thunder rolls, but we don't ask why. Barefoot on cobblestones, the city sings, your hand in mine.